So hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Imagine NPCs that have real conversation, dynamic question generators that create missions based on player choices, or a tutoring system that answers player questions in real time by integrating Gemini AI into your Roblox Studio projects. You can make all of this possible completely for free without any external services. And yet, the best part is, Roblox's HTTP service lets you call external APIs directly from your game script. With the Gemini API key and a few dozen lines of Lua code, you can bring powerful AI capabilities into your Roblox experience. So in this guide, I will show you exactly how to set up the connection, write the necessary scripts, and handle the AI responses safely. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So, first and first, enable the HTTP request in your game. Before you call any external API from Roblox Studio, you need to install or to enable HTTP request. This is a security setting that is disabled by default. Go all the way to your Roblox Studio, go to File, Game Settings, navigate to the Security tab, then toggle Allow HTTP request on. Without this setting enabled, your scripts won't be able to reach the Gemini API. Now, it's time to go and get the Gemini API key. How? It's pretty easy. We're gonna go through Google here. As you see, we're gonna go through aistudio.google.com, tap on it. They're gonna give you like a small contract. Tap on agree, then continue. You control your API calls, set a monthly spend cap to prevent accident, whatever. Now sign in with your Google account, click Get API Key, then select Create API Key in your new project. So as you see here, there is Get API Key. Go through all of this, and that's it. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.